Is your check engine light staring you down and you're noticing your gas mileage taking a hit? You might be dealing with a P0055 trouble code, and ignoring it could lead to bigger engine headaches down the road. This diagnostic trouble code generally applies to all vehicles made since 1996, but the specific fix can vary depending on whether you drive a Chevy, Ford, or a Mazda. In plain English, a stored P0055 code means your car's computer, known as the PCM, has detected a malfunction in the heater circuit of the downstream oxygen sensor. Specifically, this is for Bank 1 Sensor 3. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that houses the number 1 cylinder, and Sensor 3 tells us this is the sensor located after the catalytic converter. The heart of this sensor is a zirconium dioxide element protected by a steel housing. It sends data to your car's computer about the oxygen levels in your exhaust compared to the outside air, which helps calculate fuel delivery. However, this sensor needs to be hot to work correctly. That is where the heater circuit comes in. It uses battery voltage, usually a minimum of 12.6 volts, to preheat the sensor during cold starts so the computer can enter what we call closed-loop operation faster. If the resistance in this heater circuit goes outside the programmed limits, the code sets. Symptoms usually include a delayed start because the engine is running too lean when cold, or black smoke from the exhaust because it is running too rich. The most common causes are burnt or broken wiring, a blown fuse, or the sensor itself has failed. To fix this, you'll want to start by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific make and model. If nothing turns up, grab a digital volt-ohm meter and a scanner. Inspect the wiring harnesses, especially those near hot exhaust pipes or sharp edges. Test all system fuses, preferably under load because a fuse might look fine but fail when electricity flows through it. You can do this by activating the heater circuit. If you clear the code and it comes back immediately, use your scanner to watch the data stream. The heater voltage should match your battery voltage. If the resistance is off, or if you find a blown fuse suggesting a short to ground, you'll likely need to replace that sensor or repair the wiring. Once you've done the repairs, drive the vehicle to ensure the monitor resets. If you're uncomfortable using a multimeter or working around electrical systems, that is the right time to take it to a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and keep that engine running smooth.